In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix teeth on your pictures in Facetune. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Facetune application, and once you're logged into your account, you can simply upload your picture by tapping on the galleries icon at the top left corner. Now just select your picture and you will be taken to the edit menu. Now there are various different parameters that you can edit, which will all be shown at the bottom section. Just scroll over to the right and you can find the whiten section at your teeth. Just tap on this and then you can whiten the color of your teeth. Just use the slider to adjust the whiteness level, or you can use the auto whiten feature. Simply tap on it and this will whiten your teeth for you. You can tap on the tick mark once you're satisfied, and then you can download your picture by tapping on the download button at the top right corner. In order to fix crooked teeth, you will need to have a premium access for Facetune. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix your teeth in Facetune. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.